Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how Cloud PubSub can help you keep your services reliably communicating with each other. Cloud PubSub is an asynchronous messaging service, which means it helps your tools send, receive, and filter events or data streams. It gives you durable message storage, scalable in-order message delivery, consistently high availability, and performance at any scale. And PubSub runs in any Google Cloud region in the world, so you can easily use it in Jakarta, Frankfurt, or Montreal, and of course, everywhere else. You also don't have to provision PubSub. It scales global data delivery automagically from 0 to millions of messages per second. With PubSub, data producers don't need to change anything when the consumers of their data change. Just publish once and let us manage distribution. This lets more of your services be entirely stateless. You set up PubSub between services or applications by defining topics, and then subscriptions, which allows services to receive the messages published on those topics. This means one-to-many communication gets much simpler. So you can spread batch image analysis over multiple workers, or send logs from your security system to archiving, processing, and analytics services. Or, if you've got a steady stream of data, you can use PubSub to stream that data into BigQuery or Dataflow for intelligent processing. PubSub is really handy for notification when something bad happens, so you can page the right teams if a system or service goes down. So next time you need a way to connect multiple services, applications, or data sources, take a minute to try out Cloud PubSub. Learn more at cloud.google.com/PubSub.